Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a No Limit 2 drag racing modded version with unlimited money. As you can see, fully working right now. So let's get into the guide. I'm going to show you how to download it. It's super easy. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and go to this website. It's called zoomods.com and it has a bunch of different modded apps. All right, so I'm on the site right now. So I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm just going to type in No Limit 2 drag racing and there's the mod. Press on it and it's going to start downloading. Now before it downloads, there will be a verification, which is really easy. You just have to download 2 apps to complete the instructions. They're 100% for free and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So it's really simple. So let's just give it a second here, as you can see. All right, so it's going to load and basically we need to download the app. So as you can see, it says please install 2 free apps to automatically install the mod. Additional files are required. So there's going to be around 4 of these apps. You just have to download 2 of them. So just press tap to install. It's going to bring you to the app store and you just want to download the app. Now bear in mind guys, each app is going to have its own instructions. You can see Family Island says reach level 10. Evertail says down and run for 30 seconds. So just do whatever you can do. I did the Family Island one. You have to reach level 10. It's pretty easy, but after you download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, your No Limit 2 drag racing hack should be installed. So be sure to try it out guys. It's super insane. I'm going to see you guys later, but yes, actually is updated and everything. So as you can see, I got tons of money. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It's so cool. So yeah, this is pretty wild. I've been hunting for mods daily and I think this is the best hack that they make. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys like No Limit 2 drag racing, because this is so crazy guys and it's fully updated and everything. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and peace out.